Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Surfers. So today I will show you how you can get Adobe Photoshop Web absolutely free for 1 year. So to get this absolutely free of cost, follow the step-by-step tutorial. So firstly you have to go to your Chrome browser. You have to search here Adobe Photoshop extension, and then you will get this link. So click on this link. So you will get into this web interface. So you have to click install this extension. So to install this you have to click add to Chrome, add extension. So you can see this is installing the extension. So this is for 41.9 MB. So this is lightweight extension. So as you can see this has been installed successfully. You will come into this interface. So you can see welcome to the Photoshop extension. So you have to click on this start free offer, and then you have to click start now. So you will get this interface. So here you have to log in your email address, or you can log in with your Google account. So I am continuing with my Google account. Then create account. As you can see this, I have got Photoshop 12-month access absolutely free of cost, so I will use it. So get started, and you will come into this interface. Here you have to, so here from I will get one of my photos. So I have selecting this photo. So I have selected this photo from my computer. Now I will work on this. As you can see this, I have selected this picture. If I want to edit this picture, here you will get the toolbar where you will get lots of tool from there. So if I want to remove the background of this picture, so I have selected the picture layer and I will click remove background. So as you can see this, it is removing the background. So this have removed the background successfully. If I want to make any background behind this woman, so I will take a layer. So I will keep this layer behind this layer, and I will check adjustments and solid color. So as you can see this, I have successfully changed the background of this picture. So if I want to take this picture, you can see this, I have successfully take this picture. So whatever you need, you can use this tool as your official purpose. You will get this tool for 1 year absolutely free of cost. So enjoy the full premium features absolutely free. So please subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.